Hey guys, this is David, and this time I'm making this video to show you how I made this drawing of a forest. And for this one I'm using the new tones from Art and Fly, some other green and brown tones, and the color pencils. So I hope you guys enjoy the process. So in the beginning I just made the sketch and some lines representing the trees, and I'm leaving all those white spaces between them so I can draw the leaves and branches. To draw the leaves, you can use some of the greenish tones, and you don't necessarily need to make something extremely detailed if you don't want to. So in this case I just make some tiny little dots, and I'm gonna use this technique along the whole drawing. So going to the pencils, you're basically going to add some more details and shading to the trees, background, leaves, the ground, just to make the colors more vibrant and make it look pretty in the end. And if you're a very patient person, you can also add some tiny leaves in some parts. But in this case, as I said before, it's not something extremely realistic, so I wasn't very worried about it. For me, the fun part was using the markers and many different colors, and I also hope you liked it, and I just wanted to show you that it's nothing difficult to make something like this, so you can also use your markers and try to do something similar or anything you like. And you'll see that it's nothing really complicated. It just takes time, but I'm sure you can do it. But that's it guys, thank you so much for watching, I hope you liked the video, and soon I'll be back with new ones and new tutorials and trying to explain everything you need to know. Thank you so much.